Hey everybody, welcome to the Davis Pest Control Show. On this episode here, I'm going to tell you and show you the pistols that I use when it comes to pest control in my The way I started out was exactly how a cheap man would. So I'm going to show you exactly how the pistols that I use to for my pest control in my yard. So when I first started getting into BB guns and air guns, I really didn't know what to do or what to buy or how to buy or what FPS was or anything about BB guns. So let me show you my first BB gun I bought, thinking that I can control the pests in my yard. Okay, first one, the Umarex D17. I bought this off Amazon for $26. I seen it said 200 to 250 FPS. I also heard that it was accurate and it will get the job done. I had 14 chickens come up dead because of raccoons. So I figured this right here, D17 Umarex, was going to kill raccoons. But in all actuality, the Umarex D17 is only to walk up and finish the kill if you messed up. This gun here is only for target practice, plinking, or like if you didn't get a good shot on something and you don't want to make a big sound on the second shot, this will take care of it. Pellet gun, BB gun. I'm not into Pacifics. I'm into power and control in my yard. I don't know anything about gun Pacifics or modifications, but I know that this is a weak gun. So, $26. So I said, okay, let me go up. And when I went up, I didn't go up $50, $100. I went up 10. So I went to $35 and I ended up getting one of these. The Umarex Broadaxe Super Magnum 44. Now this gun here changed my life a little bit, but it didn't change my life all the way, but it changed my life. So with this gun right here, there's no bird in this world that the bullet won't go through with this gun. When it comes to birds, target practice, accuracy, this is the one here. But this gun will not kill squirrels. It took me 10 reloads just to get a raccoon. I was trying to dispatch a raccoon just to get a raccoon paralyzed enough for me to get the coon trap off of it. So when it comes to birds, plinking, this is the gun. No bird can get past this gun. So, but no squirrels and raccoons. I mean, you'll hurt them, but you're not gonna drop them with this gun. $35. So I said, all right, I'm gonna go up again, you know. So I didn't, like I said, I didn't go up. I went up $15 more, which is 50. So I went about a $50 gun now. So the $50 gun changed my life. The Crossman MK45 is a great, absolutely great BB gun, especially for the price. The accuracy on it is great. Birds, squirrels, headshots, no problem with this guy right here. It's way stronger than this guy for some reason. But this gun here will kill squirrels, but not raccoons. It will bounce right off of them, off their head. I'm telling you right now. But when it comes to squirrels and birds, this will get them the pest out your yard right here. So I said, okay, everything's looking good now. I got the best gun in the world until I tried to shoot the raccoons. So I said, I can't kill raccoons with this. So I went up. I went up $20 more to $69.99 and bought the best gun in the world to me. The Crossman 2240. Man, this gun does it all. Power, accuracy, kills raccoons, headshots. Especially if you use the gamma rockets. I don't use nothing more than the gamma rockets. I haven't used anything else yet, but I've heard other things are better. But right now, I stick to the gamma rockets because it drops a coon. It drops a raccoon instantly. This gun is powerful. And I love this gun so much to where I went and bought another one. But see, with this gun, what is so amazing about this gun here is that you can modify it. So this gun here, I'm keeping as a pistol. I'm gonna put some different sights or something on it, which I really like iron sights because I'm pretty good shot with iron sights. But I like the fanciness I've seen on YouTube. So I wanna do a few things to modify it, but keep it as a pistol. This one, I want to keep and make as a rifle. Have a nice stock on it, long barrel, a few a valve and stuff to make it powerful and make it look like a tactical rifle. And that's what I love about this 2240. I hunted a squirrel on my bird feeder yesterday with this. It took me 3 shots, but the only reason why is because that the tree had a lot of leaves on it or whatever. But other than that, and it was my fault. It wasn't the gun fault. So the 2240 is my go-to when it comes to pest control. Any pest, squirrel, rabbit, raccoon. This guy right here, and I bought this guy here for $56 if you don't want the professional box that it come in. But if you want the professional box that it come in, then you spend $69.99. Yeah, like $70. So the deal is you don't need the box, you need the gun. One can be a rifle, one can be a pistol. And these are my main guys here. This guy here, and I keep these are my main 3 guns that I keep here. This one, I can get some off me. 20 shots, bow, 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 20 shots. This one, both of them loaded. I can just take them both off safety. Boom. Got 2 shots. Dead on. Boom. Sometimes I don't want to reload. You know what I mean? If I got a good shot on something, I want to hit him, bow. And then if I miss him, I want to hit him again before he think. So, you know, these are my main guns right here. These guns here, I practice at home, plinking. Great gun, powerful gun, but when it comes to squirrels, which that's what I hunted, squirrels and raccoons, you know, and birds, why take a gun that only I can kill birds with? I'd rather have at least a squirrel BB gun, something that I know I can kill squirrels with, something I know I can kill raccoons and everything else with. You know, so this episode was just to show you what I use. It ain't about what type of gun, how, you know, it ain't about that. It's about that's what I use, and I think that this is the best gun in the world when it comes to a pistol. The modifications on this gun I've seen on YouTube is sick. So I love this gun. I love it so much. All right, yes sir. Hope you see me again.